What up guys, Miguel here of Yugatech, and this is the C55, a budget to mid-range smartphone from the folks over at Realme. Let's check it out in this quick unboxing and hands-on. So getting into the box, we are greeted by a pamphlet, and in this box we have a SIM ejector tool that tells us we should embrace a new journey, as well as paperwork and a jelly case in a translucent black color. Setting that aside, we get the phone itself. And bringing it out of the sleeve, let's power this on and set this aside here. What else is in the box? We have what seems like a 33-watt Super VOOC fast charger, as well as a USB Type-C to A cable. So this is the C55 in all its glory. We get a 90Hz LCD IPS display, and to my eye, in this hands-on, it kind of looks pretty good. We do get some artifacting around the in-display front-facing camera, but overall it looks pretty good. I'm a fan of the build on this. We get an aluminum frame that's pretty flat at the sides, flat enough to be able to let it stand on its own without a tripod or a stand. At the rear, we get this, what I am assuming is polycarbonate, as well as the main camera modules at the top left, and its dual LED flash right next to it. This is a 64 megapixel main sensor, and we have an 8 megapixel depth sensor right below it. Our review unit comes with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. It's also rocking a MediaTek Helio G88 chipset. If you're interested in seeing our synthetic benchmarks, watch out for our full review. For I/O, we get a 3.5mm audio jack at the bottom, noise cancelling mic for calls, USB Type-C port, I think it's a USB 2 or 2.2, as well as the single mono downward firing speaker. On the right, we have the power button that doubles as a capacitive fingerprint scanner, as well as the volume rocker above it. And on the left side, we have the SIM slot, and let me just eject it real quick. Hold on.
Gotta go harder.
I went hard. I went in deep, dude. What the heck? Hey, can you do it?
Here.
Oh, you see. GG. Oh, look. Oh, he got it. Thank you, Earl. So Earl has opened the slot. It's a dual SIM card tray with a slot for micro SD card expansion. So that's pretty cool. So that's the Realme C55. Interested in this device? I think it comes in a budget of around 10 to 15,000 pesos. We'll have the final SRP in our full review. So, what do you guys think of the Realme C55? Let us know in the comment section below. If you have any more questions about this device, we will answer it in our full review. So, that's it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I will see you in the next one.